Good morning, students. Let's start the new chapter, chapter number 5 of geography, and the name of the chapter is Major Domains of the Earth. As you know, beta, the Earth is the only planet that has life. We have read in the first chapter that the Earth is the only planet which has life. Human beings can live here because the life sustaining elements like land, water and air. Elements like land, water and air are present on the earth. Okay, beta. Now if we talk about the domains of the earth, under this the first is the lithosphere. Lithosphere is the solid portion of the earth where we live, on which we live. That portion is called the lithosphere. Next is gaseous layer that surrounds the earth, that is known as the atmosphere. Which gases are present here? Like oxygen, nitrogen, carbon dioxide and many other. And the next is that water. We all know that water covers a very big area of the earth's surface, and that area is called the hydrosphere. Hydro means water. In Greek language, litho means stone, atom means vapor, hydro means water, and the last is bios, it means life. The last domain is biosphere. It contains all forms of life like air, water, land and air together present. That's why here life is possible. So let us go thoroughly within these domains. The first is lithosphere. The solid portion of the earth is called the lithosphere. I have already told you. It comprises the rocks of the earth's crust and the thin layers that contain nutrients, elements which sustain organisms. It has two divisions, means lithosphere has two divisions. First is large land masses and second is water bodies. Large land masses are known as the continents and huge water bodies are called as the oceans. Beta, in your book, figure 5.1 is given. As you can see here, this is figure 5.1. Okay, the world map. Here you can see continents and oceans. The blue part, the whole blue part is ocean, and these are the big land masses, and these land masses are known as the continents. There are 7 continents, beta: North America, South America, Africa, Europe, Asia, Australia. Okay, and the last is Antarctica. Here beta, go through with this figure and try to understand it. And one more thing, the level of seawater remains everywhere. So beta, these are different oceans: Indian Ocean, okay, Pacific Ocean, Atlantic Ocean, Arctic Oceans. The name are the different, but the main thing that you can see here, that all the oceans are connected. There is no break. Okay? And level of sea water remains same everywhere. Clear beta? The highest mountain peak, that is the Mount Everest. अब उसकी ऊंचाई क्या है बेटा? That is 8,848 meters above the sea level. Okay beta, and the greatest depth 11,022 meters is recorded at the Mariana Trench in the Pacific Ocean. Continents beta, continents में सबसे पहले आता है एशिया. Asia is the largest continent. It covers about 1/3 of the total land area of the earth. Okay, this lies in the Eastern Hemisphere. The Tropic of Cancer passes through this continent. Next is Europe. It is smaller than Asia. The Arctic Circle passes from here, okay, and it is bound by water from 3 sides. Next is Africa. It is the second largest continent after Asia. A large part of Africa lies in the northern hemisphere. It is the only continent, beta. Here Tropic of Cancer, Equator and Tropic of Capricorn passes. Next is North America. It is the third largest continent of the world. Next is South America. It lies mostly in the southern hemisphere. World's longest mountain range, the Andes, that run through this, and it has the largest river known as Amazon. Next is Australia. It is the smallest continent and surrounded on all sides by ocean. That's why this continent is also known as the island continent. And the last is Antarctica. It is completely lies in southern hemisphere and it is a huge continent. South Pole lies almost at the center of this continent and it is permanently covered with thick ice sheets. Due to this, there is no human settlement. Only some research stations are there. India also has research stations there. These are named the Maitri and Dakshin Ganga. Clear, beta? Read up to here thoroughly. The rest of the topics we will cover in the next class. Thanks and have a nice day.